So now it's time for our Real Cedar rapid fire round with April. Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay. If you could if you could collaborate with anyone on a cedar project, live or dead, who would it be?
Ooh, that's hard. I think live or dead? Let's go with Tesla. Who knows what we would create?
Oh, great. Great answer. Tool you can't live without.
Oh, that's such a hard one. I'm gonna go with my Super Jaws. It's a clamping device. It's like a third hand in a workshop.
Okay, good call.
It's like a bench vise, but with legs.
Okay, if you could take just 3 cedar projects to a desert island, what would they be?
Cedar projects?
Yeah.
I mean, a desert island, I would have to like carve a knife.
Right.
Right?
Okay. She's really thinking about this
I
one.
would need a chair.
Uh-huh.
And then, can I make it a cedar umbrella? Let's do that. I feel like that's good.
Okay, got it. So, cedar bucket list. What's the one cedar project you really want to build and haven't built yet?
You know, I kind of want a stargazing deck. So I want to build something, maybe serve a function like maybe housing my tractor underneath. But then the top, I just want to climb on top and then be able to build some like lounge chairs to look up at the stars. And because I live in the country, so
Right.
they're visible. I just need a platform to view them.
Well, I love it. Finally, what do you love most about building with Real Cedar?
Oh, I love the weight.
Okay.
Yeah, it's so lightweight, but it's durable. So then this way, regardless of what I'm doing, I heft it around and people think I'm ultra strong, but I'm like, no, you're just incredibly light.
Good to know. And for more DIY inspiration, you can go to realcedar.com. Thank you so much, April.
Thanks.